Plant breeding for developing resistance to insect pests. Apart from diseases, the other main challenge to agriculture is pests and insects. The pests and insects feed on the plant parts like leaves, stems, flowers, etc. This makes the plants easily susceptible to plant diseases. Some pests feed on the sap of the plants, causing wilting of plants. Sometimes, insects also act as vectors for disease-causing pathogens like viruses, etc. Overall, insect attack leads to heavy losses in crop yield and quality. Generally, in order to protect the crops from pests, farmers normally use pesticides and other toxic chemicals. This not only kills the pests, but also kills the useful organisms around the plant. Pesticides, also called mild toxicity in the plant, produce and lowering its quality. Moreover, these pests gradually develop resistance to the pesticide and continue to attack the plants. Some plants have naturally developed some morphological, biochemical, or physiological characters which prevent pests from attacking them. Now, let us have a look at the morphological methods. Wheat plants and cotton plants have hairy leaves that prevent jassids and leaf beetle from eating them. Solid stems in wheat are not preferred by the stem sawfly. Bollworms are not attracted to smooth-leaved and nectarless cotton varieties. The features of plants that make them undesirable to the insects for food, shelter, reproduction, etc. are called antizoonosis or non-preference. Now, let us have a look at the biochemical characters of plants. Certain plants like maize have high aspartic acid, low nitrogen and low sugar content that make them undesirable to the stem borers. All these traits act as sources of resistance genes for plant breeding. Some crop varieties developed through hybridization and selections for insect pest resistance are Pusa Gaurav, a variety of brassica that has resistance to aphids. Pusa Sem2, Pusa Sem3 are varieties of flat bean that have resistance to jassids, aphids and fruit borers. Pusa Savan and Pusa A4 varieties of okra, bhindi, have resistance to shoot and fruit borers.